Okay, the next flow I'm going to be sharing with you today is called About to Take Flight. I call it About to Take Flight because at one point I feel like I'm about to take flight and soar. Anyways, I've got one red spring on. I have my foot bar high because I actually incorporate this in a different flow, but today I'm only going to be sharing with you this one particular section. So I'm going to go ahead and locate my straps. I am going to use the short loops. My ropes are usually longer than most studios, so maybe you'd want the long loops, but I'm going to grab the short loops. I'm going to take my toes and I'm going to curl them over the back of the box. This reminds me a lot of chest expansion from the classical work. So the same principles apply here. My glutes are tight. I'm lifted from the pelvic floor. I'm nice and stable right here. What I don't want to have happen is to pitch forward. And if I keep those glutes tight and lifting from that pelvic floor, that is less likely to happen. So I'm going to start down low. My toes are curled over. I'm going to take an inhale as I press and lift. I'm going to do 5 here. I've got 4, so my legs are working as well. 3, 2, and 1. I'm just going to hold it here. Press it back for 5. Abdominals are tight. I'm drawing those shoulders down for 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, we're going to add on to it. I'm going to take my right foot, bring it onto the headrest, and I'm going to wiggle that back knee back just a bit, connecting under the shoulders. I've got 5 more. My heart rate is getting up a little bit. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now I'm going to go into a lunge. So I'm going to be lunging forward. Back leg is extended, and I'm going to walk my hands up to the taped part of my ropes. I'm going to pull it back for 5, drawing those shoulders down. I've got 4. A lot of work in that stabilizing leg, the right leg, for 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to hold it here. I'm going to go a little bit lower, and I'm going to bend and extend for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's a lot of arm work, and you can even do more reps than that if you would like. Now, I'm going to walk back to where I first started. Now my hands are going to come into the longer loops. I'm going to connect under the shoulders, reach it up for 4. Abdominals are tight, glutes are tight. I've got 3, 2, last one here. It is really heavy, so I only do 1 round of that. Now I'm going to bring my hands back into the short loops, and I'm going to start over again with pressing the hips forward for 5. Abdominals are tight. Connect under those shoulders. I've got 4. It's not that heavy right here. 3, but it is building. 2, and 1. Hold it here. Press it back, draw those shoulders down for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now it's the left leg's turn. I'm going to take that left foot, swiftly bring it up onto the headrest, connect under the shoulders, keep it moving for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. My arms are definitely feeling it. I'm going to walk my hands up to the tape part of the rope. Now, I'm going to extend my back leg, the right leg. I'm in as deep of a lunge as possible. I'm going to pull it back for 5, 4. This takes a lot of balance and stability. Obviously, if your client doesn't feel comfortable doing this, they can stick to the kneeling variation easily. Now, I'm going to hinge down just a bit more and incorporate the tricep for 5, 4, 3, I almost lost my balance there, 2, and I'm drawing those shoulder blades down, and 1. Now, of course, this is actually smack dab in a much longer flow, so I have something that leads into it and something that leads out of it.